free. Learn self-hypnosis for free. 7-day video workshop on WhatsApp. So you can learn from anywhere you want, wherever you are in the world. So my friend, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal. I've trained more than 500,000 people in self-hypnosis. I've worked with the top salespeople. I've worked with the top sportsmen in the world, and they become very successful, and they have all learned self-hypnosis from me, and they learn how to program their mind. Do you want to learn how to program your mind and to learn self-hypnosis? Self-hypnosis is the most powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind consciously. Now, these techniques are simple and easy. From my 43 years of experience, I am practicing self-hypnosis every day, 2 or 3 times in a day to reprogram my mind. Before talking to you on this video, I went into my self-hypnosis and program of mind to give a introduction of self-hypnosis to you right now. So my friend, self-hypnosis is the most powerful tool. In this 7-day workshop, you will learn what is conscious mind, subconscious mind, what is self-hypnosis, what is hypnosis is or what is not, the myths about hypnosis. Then you will learn 2 very simple methods of going into self-hypnosis, and then you can go into self-hypnosis instantly. And when you have self-hypnosis, you can program your mind using powerful affirmation, visualization, and then you can come out of the hypnosis. It all will take maximum 2 to 3 minutes depending on your programming. So you can practice self-hypnosis anywhere you want, whenever you want, and whatever you want to give yourself a programming. I work with the top level sportsmen. They are using self-hypnosis regularly. So it is a simple method. You will learn how to make affirmations. You will learn how to make your own suggestions. Plus you will learn how to do it there. We will teach you in this 7-day WhatsApp workshop. You will get a video lesson every day in our WhatsApp group. Yes, we are creating a group. There is a link below. Join there. There may be two links, but join there, one group link only. And once the moment is full up, the date time given there, the workshop will start. We will send you lessons every day 9 o'clock on the first day. Afterwards, we'll send around between 5 to 6 every day. It will be video lessons which you can watch, listen and practice. Watch, listen and practice. So simple, my friend. You can just learn and do it. So if you really want to learn self-hypnosis, because it's free, it may not be free for a long time because I charge for this workshop. In my normal workshop, I charge 5,000 rupees plus GST. 101, I charge 15,000 rupees. So it is free for you. It is a big opportunity. Please let your other friends and family members also to know about it and let them also join for this workshop. So if the workshop groups are free, you will not be get the entry. So register right now. Go to the link below. There is a WhatsApp group link there. There are 2 links. Join only one link. If the one link is full, join the second link. And we'll see you on the day of the workshop starting. So my friend, register right now. See you personally soon. Thank you very much.